Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're over here at the beautiful Callaway Point at a gorgeous new listing overlooking East Bay. We've got a 4-bedroom to tell you about. Heather, tell us more about this hot property.
Oh, stunning property. One of the originals here and the point of Callaway Point. We're right here at
Nice.
the end, right near Tyndall Air Force Base, and all you see is water. It's like we're walking on water.
It is so gorgeous. And this one's been completely renovated.
Yes.
Tell me more about that.
Renovated update. So single owner. It's been fantastic. They've been here since the day they built it, and it's time to move on. And so they've renovated, updated, brought it back into the century, and it's so open. As soon as you open the front door, water views.
The views
all
are
the way.
killer.
Yes, all the way. The master is spacious. You've got a slider in the master with your windows. I mean, this is exactly what you want for waterfront lifestyle.
Excellent. And priced to sell.
Yeah, absolutely. This is one of the few waterfront properties you're going to find for under $600,000.
Excellent. So if you like this property, make sure you give us a call.
So if you'd like more information on this property, just look in the description below and click the link for all the photos and all of the extra detailed information.
And don't forget to hit subscribe, ring that bell. You do not want to miss any future videos from thebeachshow.com.